Launching your product into the international market can certainly feel complicated and overwhelmingly challenging. This ambitious journey must start with a solid foundation, establishing a truly unique brand that authentically represents your core business value. Portcorp's experts are here to guide you, step by step, in legally registering and securely safeguarding your valuable trademark rights. With robust legal protection, your brand is shielded, ensuring no other entity can legally imitate or misuse your identity. The next critical phase involves ensuring your entire production process is compliant with all mandatory regulations, including BPOM, PIRT, and necessary Halal certifications. Portcorp helps you swiftly and accurately finalize all required operational permits and governmental authorizations with maximum efficiency. Equipped with these proper permits, your product is officially authorized and fully prepared to compete in both national and global markets. We expertly manage all complex export documentation, encompassing SIUP, NPWP, SKA, commercial invoices, and all vital shipping paperwork. Our specialized export services ensure your products are professionally packed and fully prepared, meeting stringent standards for secure international shipping. We meticulously coordinate comprehensive logistics, guaranteeing your product is delivered efficiently to virtually any destination worldwide. Portcorp's dedicated tax specialists ensure absolute compliance with all export taxes, VAT obligations, and destination country fiscal regulations. Easily track the status of every essential document in shipment movement through our secure and integrated online platform. Receive real-time updates and notifications, providing you with complete transparency to facilitate highly precise business planning. From initial brand registration to final secure delivery, Portcorp ensures your product successfully reaches global customers. Focus your strategic energy on business growth and expansion. We will expertly manage all the administrative complexities of the export process for you. Portcorp.id, your reliable strategic partner, navigating success from brand conceptualization to worldwide market expansion. Visit Portcorp.id today and let us help your business seamlessly realize its ambitious goal of going global.